Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Now firstly, open the ChatGPT website and log into your ChatGPT account. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to optimize my profile of LinkedIn. And there you go. It has started to give you best practices for optimizing your LinkedIn. Just wait for it to complete all the opinions. Now you can follow these steps to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And if you want to narrow down your search in accordance with your profession, just tell ChatGPT your profession and it's going to recommend you the absolute best ways to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I'm a photographer. Let's see what kind of advices it gives me. Now this time it has given me a more broader and it's specialized research. And that's all. Hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.